Hello friends and welcome back. Today we are preparing powerful natural hair masks that stop hair loss and stimulate fast growth. Each recipe is simple, effective, and made with ingredients you can easily find at home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss more natural beauty secrets. First recipe. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, rich in vitamins and fatty acids that deeply nourish the scalp. A few drops of vitamin E, protect hair follicles and strengthen roots. Benefit of the mask: this recipe hydrates the scalp, improves blood circulation and prevents hair thinning. Mix avocado oil with a few drops of vitamin E. How to use: apply to your scalp and gently massage for a few minutes. Spread the oil along the full length of your hair. Leave it on for 30 minutes. Wash off with warm water and a mild shampoo. Repeat once or twice a week. Second recipe. Ingredients: 1 egg, rich in biotin and proteins for stronger hair. 1 teaspoon of honey, moisturizes, softens, and restores shine. Friends, write in the comments and tell me, from which city are you watching us? One teaspoon of cinnamon stimulates blood circulation and promotes new growth. Beat the egg, then mix it with honey and cinnamon until smooth. Benefit: this mask nourishes weak roots, boosts thickness, and helps reduce hair fall. How to use: apply the mixture to your scalp and hair. Cover with a shower cap and leave for 20 to 25 minutes. Rinse first with cool water, then wash with shampoo. Use once every 7 to 10 days. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Third recipe. 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, soothes the scalp and provides hydration. 1 tablespoon of mustard oil, improves blood circulation and strengthens hair follicles. Mix aloe vera gel with mustard oil. Benefit: this mask reduces dandruff, awakens dormant follicles, and supports faster hair growth. How to use: apply directly to the scalp and massage gently. Leave it on for 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and shampoo. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural beauty recipes. Fourth recipe. 1 tablespoon of shea butter, deeply nourishes, softens and restores hair. About 1 teaspoon of castor oil strengthens roots and stimulates growth. Mix well. Benefit of the mask. This recipe helps repair damaged hair, prevents split ends, and boosts density. How to use. Apply to your scalp and hair. Massage gently and cover with a shower cap. Leave for 25 to 30 minutes. Wash off with warm water and a mild shampoo. Use once per week. Fifth recipe. 1 tablespoon of yogurt provides proteins and hydrates the scalp. 1 tablespoon of grated apple, rich in vitamins and antioxidants that strengthen hair and add shine. Mix yogurt with freshly grated apple. Benefit of the mask. This mask refreshes the scalp, reduces hair loss, and makes your hair silky and smooth. How to use. Apply to the scalp and distribute evenly along your hair. Leave it for 20 minutes. Wash off with lukewarm water and shampoo. Use 1 to 2 times a week. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your hair's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.